Welcome to the December 2023 issue of Municipal Sewer and Water magazine. This preview is brought to you by CrewPlex. Get measurable increases in crew productivity and safety. On the cover, navigating the arid Coachella Valley, Carrie Oliphant, Director of Engineering, steers the water district through innovative water solutions. From groundwater replenishment to recycling and conservation, their strategies combat the desert's dry realities, ensuring a sustainable water future for all. Meet CrewPlex's DR10 all-in-one wireless headset, where performance meets comfort. Built tough for any environment, it's the go-to for stormwater, wastewater, and underground crews. MSW editor Luke Lagis delves into stormwater management with a community-centric approach. Explore utility leadership's role in reshaping communities in this issue of Municipal Sewer and Water. Amidst the persistent challenge of water main breaks, a deeper issue surfaces: aging infrastructure. With federal funding, utilities race to fix immediate crises. Yet wise choices, like advanced mechanical coupling systems, offer enduring solutions. Explore the long-term game plan in pipe repair and the legacy it shapes. Safety is more than rules, it's a daily decision. Nearly 90% of incidents arise from unsafe acts. Are you part of the problem, taking shortcuts and ignoring safety? Or part of the solution, being vigilant, following procedures, and fostering a safe culture? Your choice shapes the workplace and its well-being. In Columbus, Ohio, battling sewage overflows took a groundbreaking turn. Dive into the city's bold strategy, repair private residential laterals to eliminate inflow and infiltration. Learn how data-driven decisions and public support reshaped infrastructure in this blueprint for success. Join the journey of Camden's transformation, from a utility with a tainted past to a community powerhouse. Learn how the CCMUA turned environmental concerns into opportunities, creating a green revolution and fostering community engagement that shapes a brighter, sustainable future for Camden, New Jersey. Explore the intricate challenges posed by stormwater management and discover how cutting-edge equipment is empowering municipalities to tackle these issues with precision and efficiency. Uncover the innovative solutions shaping the future of stormwater control. Dive into real-world challenges faced by municipalities and the remarkable solutions they've embraced, like the Tennessee utility shaping green infrastructure with ADS eco-level monitors, or Wisconsin's innovative use of catch basin risers on I-39. Thank you for watching, stay safe out there, and see you next month.